Alright, so just reviewing this piece. This will probably wrap up our last skid item. I don't ever say never, but you know, just thinking I can't think of much anything else I'd use it for, or any more skids that I don't already have. So all my skids are all RCI. Like the A-arms, this is steel, so just know that. I just want to show this to you guys real quick before we slap it on. You know, we'll use the instructions off the RCI website, and we'll go from there. All right, so you'll see this little line right here. You have to try to get that little loop thing in between that and the axle shaft, I guess. So I just popped that little piece right there out that you're seeing, popped it back in when I was done. That way I could, because that's the only way I could get that thing to go in there and not be over it, because you definitely don't want that tube to be in between the clamp and the bottom. You see here we use some anti-seize on all the bolts just to make sure that you know, they won't be hard to take off. I did use the longer bolts in the back. It comes with it comes with 4 longer bolts and 4 shorter bolts. The directions don't say anything about that. I'm assuming maybe because the Sasquatch axle shafts and axle tubes are bigger. I don't know that to be a fact, but since the directions didn't address it, it also didn't address that tube, but I figured I'd just make a note of that anyway. I did put them on the back side. I didn't put them on the front side because the shorter ones were able to do that. Oops, sorry there, a little bit. So I just want to show this to you guys. As you all can see, we're pretty RCI skidded. We have the skids all the way up to the front, RCI. So, and like those other ones, this one's steel. These, the A-arms and the cross member skids are steel. Everything else is aluminum. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Also hit that alert button so you don't miss any future content. Got lots of more good stuff coming out, and we'll be sure and share it with you. I also got an Anderson hardtop coming soon. Should arrive any day. We also may have some exciting news coming from an ambassadorship program here soon, but more content or more word to come on that as it becomes official. We don't want to say anything until we're for sure. But also, just be mindful, you know, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I know that sometimes I may not cover every single detail. I'm happy to ask questions. I'm happy to answer questions about anything that any of my videos, so please be sure and do that. You also notice here we have a lot of greasy residue looking stuff all over. This is a brand new axle, a whole rear axle assembly actually. So Ford ended up just shipping a whole new axle assembly pulled off the line after 6 failed attempts to ship one of the differentials without being damaged or without just not working. So this is a brand new rear axle. Just got it a few days ago. But anyway, so we put fluid film on here. I had fluid film treatments done in the entire truck every single year. I did that with the 4Runner as well, as some of you all know. We did the fluid film just to make sure. We live here in the Midwest. It's very good, very proven, so highly recommend it.